In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up follow-ups in Sendgrid. We'll walk through creating an automated email sequence so that once someone joins your list, your follow-up emails send automatically without you having to do anything manually. First, inside your Sendgrid account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Marketing section. Under Marketing, click on Automations. This is where all of your automated flows live. Go ahead and click on Create an Automation, and when you're given the options, choose Custom. This tells Sendgrid that you want to build your own follow-up series from scratch, rather than starting from a pre-made template. Next, you'll define your entry criteria. This is simply the rule that decides who gets into this automation. You can choose to trigger the series when a contact is added to a specific list, or when they fall into a particular segment. Think of a list as a broad group like newsletter subscribers, and a segment as a more filtered group such as recent purchasers. One important detail here. Contacts only receive this automation if they're added after the automation is set live. So anyone who is already on that list or in that segment before you activate it will not automatically be enrolled. After that, you'll set your exit criteria. This is equally important because it controls when someone should stop getting emails from this automation. You can have contacts exit the series once they've received every email in the sequence, which is the most common setup. You can also have them exit when they no longer meet the entry criteria, for example if they're removed from a list or no longer match a segment filter. Finally, you can define a custom condition that removes them, such as making a purchase or reaching a specific status in your system. Just keep in mind, there is a limit of 15 custom exit criteria per account, so use those thoughtfully. Once your entry and exit rules are in place, it's time to choose Send Timing. For your very first email, you can decide whether it should go out instantly as soon as someone enters the automation or after a delay, which can be in hours or days. For every email after the first, the delay is set relative to the previous email. For example, you might wait 1 day after email 1, then 3 days after email 2, and so on. Think about how frequently you want to show up in your subscribers' inboxes while still giving them enough time to engage. Now let's build the actual emails. Click Add Email Content. Here you'll choose a template and customize it with your subject line, body copy, images, and links. This is where you craft the message of each follow-up, whether it's a welcome email, an educational piece, or a promotional offer. Once you have your first email ready, you can add more to the series by clicking Add an Email and repeating the process for each message in your sequence. It helps to plan the overall flow in advance, so each email naturally leads to the next. When you're happy with your automation, review your entry and exit criteria, your timing delays, and your email content to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're confident it's ready to go, click Set Live. As soon as you do that, any new contact who meets your entry criteria will automatically start going through your follow-up series according to the rules you've configured. And that's all you need to set up follow-ups in Sendgrid, from creating a custom automation to defining who gets in, who gets out, and exactly when